This video is about 3D Printopia 2024. Hope you enjoy. When I entered, they told me I can get my name CNC'd on there, so of course I got that done. I saw this wild printer, crazy. And these two big statues, I really like how they're in multiple different colors. I think that's pretty cool. And then there's this thing. This thing is absolutely wild. This printer with 4 connected tool heads, which allows us to print 4 of the same thing at the same time, which is absolutely crazy stuff. This Voron Zero that has these glowing lights, which I think looks really cool. There was also this gigantic dragon. This big guy here, I'm not sure what it is really, but I thought it was cool. These cups that are able to be microwave safe and dishwasher safe, so you can drink out of them and stuff, which is cool.
Are you ready?
So chaotic.
So that has mom.
Yeah, it's cool switch.
No, he's fine. You're still knocking me over. No, but
I also got some super sticky. Not sure if I'm gonna do the affiliate program yet, but we will see. If I like it, of course I will. I only have a picture of the affiliate marketing side. I have no idea why. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I did not film very much, and I'm not sure why, but I think it was probably just because Earth is such a cool place. I'm gonna put a link to 3D Print SOS Fender's video, so you guys can see somebody who's a little bit better at recording than me. I'm working on it, guys. It's really hard to do when nobody knows who you are, because then it's just kind of awkward, and I can't interview anybody or anything like that. So, yeah. Though your boy did stock up on some filament. I got, I think, around 60 rolls of filament while I was there. So, yeah, I think that was a good haul.